reading the DSP proof gallon ledger in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you how every spirits movement lands as a line, how to filter by transaction type, and how to trace a number back to its source batch. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Compliance, DSP Spirits from your dashboard. This is your proof gallon ledger for your distilled spirits plant, or DSP. A proof gallon is the federal unit spirits are taxed on, 1 gallon of liquid at 100 proof or 50% alcohol by volume. Every transaction that moves spirits, production, storage, or removal shows up here as a line, with the proof gallons involved and a running balance you can watch net out. Filter by transaction type to isolate just production, just storage moves, or just removals. Click any entry to see the source batch or blend it came from, so you can trace a number back to the actual spirit that created it. This ledger is what your monthly 5110.40 report is built from. So if your on-hand proof gallons don't match the barrel room, this is where you track down the discrepancy before you file.